Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $400? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Soval Sv07 Plus 3D Printer. Clipper firmware allows Sv07 Plus to speed up to 500 mm per second at maximum. Sv07 Plus is equipped with 480 by 800 high-resolution 5-inch touchscreen, which brings you totally different experience from knob screen and normal 4.3-inch touchscreen in the market. Clipper also offers a range of function options, including the height map and input shaper, while you could DIY based on your specific needs. All metal hot end comes with a larger melt zone, which offers high flow up to 20 to 30 cubic millimeters/s that greatly reduces the possibility of clogging. An extra large fan at the rear of the extruder offers triple airflows to quickly cool prints and ensures good layering for better results. It makes the high speed and high temperature possible at the same time. No more PTFE replacements or firmware flashes needed to print with different materials easily, like ABS. Nylon equipped with 600 watts mean well power supply. Sv07 Plus brings super excellent and stable heating performance. Upgraded 420 watts heated bed can be heated to 60 C in 90 seconds, which is 30 seconds faster at least than most printers in the market. All sizes. If you own a Sv07 Plus, not only you own a 300 by 300 by 315 larger print volume printer, but also you get super faster heating speed and printing speed. With Soval's self-developed direct drive extruder that comes with planetary dual gear set, Sv07 Plus offers a higher drive ratio and lighter motor for precise extrusion. We also have added a large external knob to make feeding easier, so you can focus on your printing project with minimal interruptions. Sv07 Plus features 25-point auto leveling with an inductive sensor to detect and compensate for unevenness in the heated bed. This precise and smart technology makes it possible to get a fantastic first layer. Note: set initial layer height to 0.3 mm when slicing will help you get optimal results. If you have any adhesion issue, we recommend you to wipe the pay surface with alcohol before the next printing. Number 2. Soval Sv4 IDEX 3D Printer. Sv04 equips with dual metal Titan extruders which are more capable to produce high-quality prints across a vast range of material, such like PLA, ABS, PETC, TPU, PC, PA, wood, AZA, and PVA. 300 by 300 by 400 build volume makes Sv04 the best large format independent dual extruder direct drive 3D printer in the market. Please download the latest firmware, and flash it before your printing to avoid error occurs. Auto leveling sensor on Sv04 will make adjustments to ensure the bed and nozzle are at an optimum distance throughout the printing, which improves bed adhesion and print quality. Screen operating with an responsive and sensitive touch button. All the modes are clear and easy to use. Creality v5.2.1 32-bit TMC 2209 silent board. Up to 7 additional drivers, more functions, more stable, super silent. Flexible magnetic build plate ensures your print get a good grip to it, to help prevent warping and failed prints. It allows you pop off the prints without any tool, just bend the plate and your print's removed. The filament detector will remind you to change the filament. No worries about long time printing anymore. The wheels on the holder help load the filament more smoothly. Dual Z-axis screws and stepper motors improve the accuracy and precision of nozzle's vertical movement with a specified Z-axis accuracy of 0.001 mm. Number 3. KINGROON KP3S Pro V2 3D Printer. KP3S Pro V2 is a fast print speed 3D printer with Clipper firmware installed. It makes Clipper becomes reachable, affordable, and usable for everyone. With the Clipper features, It let people print at high speed and with great quality. KP3S Pro V2 has a powerful mainboard with Clipper firmware installed. No Raspberry Pi is required. High quality print with less waiting time. KP3S Pro V2 has 350 mm per second high speed printing and 10,000 mm/s² acceleration. The built-in IDEX 345 module ensures you high quality print under fast print speed with active vibration compensation. KP3S Pro V2 has linear rail guides on X, Y, and Z axis, which makes your printer more stable and durable in fast movements. Equipped with ceramic heating tube and auto leveling, fast heating and high-speed extrusion, it offers superior temperature stability and improved filament compatibility. Gear ratio, all metal, 9000 rings 5015 fan, smart microprocessors. The new extruder means powerful extrusion and better cooling system, providing you with convenient operation and free control, allowing you to remotely control your printer, and also have a higher power output, resulting in better signal strength and performance. With the internet connection, any screen can be your printer screen. You can control KP3S Pro V2 anyhow, anytime and anywhere. Number 4. Creality Ander 3v3 Say 3D Printer. Leveling is the basis of print quality. Ander 3v3 Say features a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. No need to turn screws or pull the paper. Just lie back and enjoy the print success. The UI adopts motion graphics to display the leveling process and other parameters. You can get how the printer is doing at a single glance. Tap extrude, and the filament will flow out of the nozzle smoothly. Tap retract, and the filament will exit quickly. So, it is effortless to replace the filament. The Sprite extruder of Ander 3v3 Say works well with PLA, PETC, and flexible TPU, unlocking your creative potential. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. The rigid dual Z-axis reduced Z-wobbling. The Y-axis uses a pair of 8mm thick linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, able to carry the build platform steadily for a lasting time. Together, they will take good care of each print. Number 5. Creality Ander 3S1 Pro 3D Printer. The brand new nozzle made of brass can stand up to 300 degrees Celsius printing temperature, and it is compatible with multiple filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PETC, and PAR, providing more possibilities for creation. Ander 3S1 Pro has used the spring steel pay magnetic build plate, which has good adhesion to the printed model and enables fast heating up of the heat bed. The build plates are not only durable but also flexible. Once the printing complete, users can remove the printed model effortlessly with just a slight bend. The 4.3-inch touch screen, supporting 9 languages, offers efficient UI interaction and is easy to use. It will dim out automatically for energy saving if there is no action for 3 minutes. The equipped LED light enables comprehensive light fill, with which users can observe the printing details even in a dark environment. The Sprite full metal dual gear direct extruder with an extrusion force of 80 newtons ensures smooth feeding when printing with different filaments, especially the flexible TPU. Equipped with CR Touch, the 16-point automatic leveling can complete quickly with compensation for points printing height on the heat bed. Good efficiency saves much time.